Chronic fatigue isn't just the feeling of tired. It is a persistent sense of physical and mental exhaustion. In Ayurveda, it is linked to the imbalance in the doshas and depletion of Ojas, the vital energy that supports immunity and vitality. When Ojas is low, the body struggles to maintain energy and resilience. The key to managing chronic fatigue in Ayurveda is to nourish and restore balance. This means supporting the digestion, calming the nervous system, and replenishing energy. Gentle grounding routines and self-care plays a crucial role in this. Abhyanga, a warm oil massage, is a powerful therapy to soothe the nervous system and improve circulation. Shirodhara, gently pouring warm oil or medicated decoctions over the forehead, can calm mental restlessness and promote deep relaxation. These therapies not only relieve fatigue but also rebuild energy reserves. A warm, nourishing diet is also very important. Favor easy to digest, warm and freshly cooked food. Herbs like Ashwagandha and Shatavari act as natural adaptogens, helping the body adapt to the stress and restore energy. But before using them, always consult an Ayurvedic physician. Prioritize regular rest, minimize overstimulation, and practice gentle yoga or pranayama to recharge your system. Ayurveda teaches us that lasting energy comes from balance, nourishing the body, calming the mind, and allowing body to rest. By embracing these simple steps, it's possible to restore vitality and find sustainable energy.